Can you guess what type of plant this is? Look very carefully in the upper left. There are the remains of some flowers there, and if you look very closely, you may get a sense that this plant is a cosmos plant, but unfortunately a cosmos plant that is infected with the aster yellow's phytoplasma. Typical symptoms that we're seeing here, you'll notice a little bit of yellowing. The diseases caused by phytoplasmas are oftentimes referred to as yellow's diseases because a primary symptom is yellowing of foliage. You'll also notice a lot of distorted growth, so twisting and cupping and curling of leaves and stems. Again, this is a typical symptom that we see associated with phytoplasmas. And then the last of the symptoms are those leafy green flowers that I mentioned previously. If I were only to see the foliage on this plant with the growth distortions and yellowing, I might not immediately think that a phytoplasma is the problem. I might look into possible herbicide issues because, again, there are certain types of herbicides, the so-called growth regulator herbicides, that will cause a lot of particularly growth distortions, but sometimes also yellowing in foliage. But the dead giveaway here that we're dealing with a phytoplasma disease is the presence of those really funky looking flowers that are leafy and green.